Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade your home drinking water system using one of these filter housings. Rather than using expensive proprietary replacement filters, this uses standard cartridges which cost as little as $20 a piece, and they last 6 months to a year depending on usage. Now let's get started with the installation. As you can see here, this cartridge fits nicely into the housing, and once that is together, we can begin assembling the fittings needed to adapt this to our drinking water system. Most filter housings use 3/8" pipe threads, and most home drinking water systems use 1/4" tubing. To connect these, I'm using these John Guest push-to-connect adapters. These are the same fittings that are used on the home drinking water systems, and they just thread into the housing using a little Teflon tape. To use space more efficiently, I'm adding an elbow to the outlet of my filter housing. This will allow me to place the filter housing closer to the edge of the cabinet. If you need to do this too, just use a standard stainless steel or brass threaded elbow. And the final step to prepare the filter housing for installation is to attach the included mounting bracket. Just use the included hardware, being careful not to over-tighten. I'm reusing the drinking water faucet and the tubing connections, but I've already removed the old filter and its mounting bracket. All I have to do now is attach the new filter and its mounting bracket. For this, I'm using cabinet screws. And now we're ready to connect the filter to the tubing. These John Guest connectors are super simple. Just push the tubing in snugly and give them a little tug to make sure that the tubing is inserted fully. These connectors actually hold pressure pretty well, and if you mess up, you can disconnect and reuse them. Now all that's left to do is to turn the water back on slowly and check for leaks. The first few cups of water from the filter might taste a little funny, so you can pour them out. But yeah, now it's ready to go.